Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Celestia. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Celestia with the ticker TIA is currently ranked number 43. The price is at $7.25. 32.62% up for the day. It has been pumping today like crazy. The market cap is sitting right above 3 billion, 3.1 billion to be exact. I know the kind of market cap that we see here is high compared to the low caps that we've been looking at in this channel, but I am really bullish on Celestia because I really like the chart. It's currently at range lows, and I haven't accumulated anything at the bottom. So I am waiting for a pullback in order to get in. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's look at what is Celestia real quick. This is their website. You can find it at celestia.org. Look what it says here. The first modular blockchain network. Celestia is a modular data availability network that makes it easy for anyone to securely launch their own blockchain. You can click on this and build a modular, or click on this and explore. Build whatever, deploy fast. Launch a blockchain with leading Ethereum rollup frameworks, or transform nearly any VM into your own sovereign chain. With Celestia underneath, a customizable blockchain becomes as easy to deploy as a smart contract. I really think that in the future, there is going to be a growing need for companies like Celestia. Because imagine how many other companies that have nothing to do with blockchain and crypto are going to join this sector. These companies are going to need companies like Celestia in order to build their blockchain, in order to join the blockchain sector. So I think there is a crazy utility going on when it comes to Celestia, guys. The website looks really nice. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to spend more time here. They have an amazing team working on many different things and a huge community behind them. This is their X account. You can find it at celestia.org. Look what it says here. Again, the modular blockchain that powers unstoppable applications with full stack customizability. Build whatever with Celestia. As you see here, they have 396,000 followers. Huge community behind them. They have been pretty active, posting every single day. They have a lot of news, and they explain what they do and posting different pictures and videos and this kind of stuff. They have podcasts going on and etc. This is a chart on TradingView. We are looking at TIA USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here on Binance, the chart started trading on October of 2023. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. Yes, this aligns with what CoinMarketCap shows, which the chart here starts on November of 2023. That's pretty close with the one on Binance. So Celestia experienced a nice run in the beginning after it was created. That was an over 8x, 877% run up, all the way up to $20, where we saw that all-time high. And people took profits, price action started pulling back down. We entered that markdown phase. We pulled back over 83% until we found the bottom. We've been moving sideways since July of 2024, and we had been forming this triangle pattern. As you see here, if I zoom in, we have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. Look, this can be considered a bounce even if it's not touching. Had a nice bounce here, third bounce, and this most recent bounce. So we've been bouncing on this support yellow trend line. So this is a very valid trend line of support, as you can see. And also we have this upper descending yellow trend line that had been acting as a resistance. We got a nice rejection here, a second rejection, two more rejections here. And finally, the price action managed to break above the triangle pattern. As we saw earlier, that's over a 30% move for the day. And I really want to start scaling in on Celestia. I don't hold any yet. I didn't buy while the price action was inside the triangle because I didn't have any extra funds. But I am really interested and I want to start accumulating. So what I am going to do is I'm going to wait for the price action to pull back and get a retest of this triangle pattern. That's going to be a very clear indication that the trend might be changing, that we have turned that previous key trend line of resistance into a new support. And also I have this Fibonacci level here on the chart that's located at $5.77. So if the price action comes back to get a retest of the triangle pattern, it's also a retest of this Fibonacci level that's currently a support. But before the breakout, this Fibonacci level was acting as resistance, as you can see. Look at this. The Fibonacci level located at $5.77. Price action broke above it, we pulled back. You see this? Price action broke above it, we pulled back again. Price action tested that resistance again here, but we pulled back. And again here. So this level was a very important psychological key level of resistance. But the price action broke above it. So a retest of this and a bounce here would be a clear indication that we've turned that previous key level of resistance into a new support. Now, if Celestia doesn't pull back here or somewhere around this price level of support, I'm not sure if I am going to get in, guys. If we don't see a pullback, the next plan that I have in mind is wait for the price action to break above the next Fibonacci level that we see here on the chart at $8.46. So I might start scaling in on the breakout of this. By the breakout, scale in on the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside. Now, let's look at the measured moves real quick. If Celestia pulls back and gets a retest of this triangle pattern and this Fibonacci level located at $5.77, scaling in here is the best buying opportunity in my eyes. The measured move to the next Fibonacci level at $8.46 is going to be a 47% move, approximately. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $10.37, and the measured move from the pullback to this Fibonacci level, that's going to be an 80% move, guys. Next target is located at $12.42, and the measured move, if we see a pullback, it's going to be an approximate of 117%. The next target at $14.50, we have a measured move of 150%. Next target is at $17.41. The measured move, a 210% move. Next target located at $19.15. That's a 235% move, guys. And the last target that we have here in the chart is located at $20.14. And the measured move, if we see a pullback, is going to be a 250% move approximately. Now, you see that if we see a pullback, this is going to be the best buying opportunity for us, because if we wait for the price action to break above this key level of resistance at $8.46, the profits that we can make to this last target here are getting smaller and smaller. For example, look, if we see a pullback, the move is an approximate measured move of 250%. While if we wait for the price action to break above this $8.46 resistance level, the move is going to be only a 138% move. You see the difference, right? You just lost like, what was that? Over a 100% move. That's why it's essential, it's very important, not only for Celestia, but for any token, to wait for a pullback before you get in. What you want to see is basically, you see we have a low, a higher low. You might see another higher low here, guys. It's very possible. And remember that when it comes to meme coins always pull back like 50%, 60%. It's very usual. So never get into meme coins before they pull back. Never get in while they're pumping. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. You should do your own research, but I am just telling you what helped me to become a better trader. And I never buy into meme coins after they pump or after they get listed on new exchanges. And similarly, I do the same for almost every other token. I'm not buying altcoins after they pump, after they get listed into new exchanges and things like that, and everybody's talking about them. I prefer to buy before or after they cool down. That's very, very important. And I really think that it's very possible for Celestia to pull back here. Even if we see a move that's greater than the 30% that we saw today, we might see Celestia pulling an explosive move all the way up here or here at $12 soon, right? Before it pulls back. I still prefer to wait for the pullback. Never FOMO. So now let's talk about my price prediction for 2025. As I told you, I'm really bullish on Celestia, but on CoinMarketCap, we saw that it already has a 3 billion market cap. I think that Celestia can easily pull, at least a 5x move, okay? So if Celestia pulls a 5x move, it's going to surpass that previous all-time high that we saw in February of 2024. And this is a new token, guys. This hasn't experienced a real bull run before. So there is a lot of room to grow here, lots of potential upside. Nobody knows how high Celestia is going to go during this cycle. So a 5x move out of Celestia is going to take us to the price level of $35, and the market cap is going to be at 15 billion. For those of you who are even more bullish on Celestia, I have an even more bullish target, and that's a 10x move. That's going to take us to the price level of $71. And then Celestia is going to have a $30 billion market cap. So 5x is a more conservative price prediction, while the 10x is a more bullish price prediction. Please let me know in the comments below. What is your price prediction for Celestia for 2025? Do you think that Celestia can surpass that $35 target and pull a move greater than a 5x? I'm really interested to know what you guys think because I want to start accumulating Celestia soon while it's at range lows. So let me know in the comments below what's your price prediction for TIA for 2025. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.